Hello everyone and welcome to my video. Today I'm going to be making my vision board for the year 2026 and I'm really excited for it. I know a lot of people make physical vision boards where they cut out the picture and paste it, but I decided not to do that because I would love to do it because I love arts and crafts, but the only thing is it would just be sat in a corner and I won't even look at it. But I do love digital vision boards and I'm going to make one on Canva today because last year I did one on Canva as my desktop wallpaper and I love the idea of having that as my desktop wallpaper because then whenever I'm opening my laptop, I can just have a look at it and it's a great reminder that you're looking forward to this. You have to achieve this. There's always a vision and an ambition and a goal set for you for that year, and that the idea of it is just beautiful. So yeah, I have my laptop over here. So let's just start designing. So I'll start by showing you my 2025 vision board and what all came true because I think that's really exciting to know. So this is the vision board that I chose, and basically I feel like most of it came true because two things were my engagement and my proposal and also my visa, and both of them came true. The other thing was my eye makeup. I really wanted to be good at it and I did my own makeup at my engagement as well. Obviously my friends helped, but that was the whole thing. Some cute dinners and cooking with Nishant. Obviously we moved in, so I love doing that. Some accessories that I wanted, like a watch and some bracelets, and also I really wanted like a bag which Nishant gifted me for my birthday. I do have an image of work as well to keep me inspired. Home as well because we bought some like nice plants and nature. Obviously snow. It did snow a little in this year. Golden hour and rainbow. I love rainbows. And we also went to Scarborough, so I have a picture of a beach over there which was beautiful. And I went to paint and have coffees with my friends, so that was also covered. So I feel like 95% of the things were covered. Just the one thing, the first picture of Eiffel Tower. We were planning to go to Paris this year, but obviously that didn't happen for some reason. But I actually started learning French, so that might count. It's the same department. So yeah, so now let's move on and try to find a nice template for my 2026 vision board on Canva. These are a few templates that we have over here and they're beautiful. I really like this one, but I want like a dimension of a desktop. I really like the scrapbook feel. This is amazing as well, but it looks a bit cluttered. This is really simple. I want like more of like a collage overlapping each other. I might do like a category and desktop wallpaper. I don't have the paid version, otherwise something like this would have been nice, but not kind of the vibe I'm going for. I definitely don't want any words in my vision board. I want it to be self-explanatory. I'm actually going to stick with this template itself. I'm going to make a new 2026 vision board. But I'm going to keep the same template because I love this one. So I'll just have all the photos over here. So yeah, that's the template that I'm going for the 2026 vision board. Right, so I have 16 images over here and I've actually planned 16 things that I want to put into my vision board. So the first one I'm going for is like hair. Last year, just like I wanted to capture, like my makeup, this year I want to do it for hair. I really want to be good at doing hair. And I've actually never colored my hair before, so maybe next year in 2026 I want to do that. So these are like really vague images, stock images in the vision board, but I actually do have like an image that I have on Pinterest, which I'm just going to pull over here right now, and that's the image. I'm going to kind of zoom in a bit. Yeah, that's what I'm going for in my hair because that's the exact color that I'll probably go for as well. And I really want to take care of my hair. I'm growing it out for the wedding as well. So yeah. The next one is obviously we want to travel, and we might move from this house this year, but I'm not really sure. But if we move, it's going to be in the countryside, and obviously we want to go travel a bit over here. So I'm going to actually search for like English countryside, because I do want to visit Cotswold. I actually find this image perfect for what I'm going for. Oh, wow, these are so beautiful. The others look like castles and palaces. Instead of that, I'm just going to have this one because I really like this one, and it fits the frame perfectly as well. The third one is over here we have like a guest room, and we love having friends and family over, and I really hope that in 2026 more people come to our house, and I just love hosting, so I want to be really good at it. So let's see what they have in hosting. Yeah, something like this, but this looks extravagant and not really practical. I really love this one actually. Oh yeah, this one's really nice. I'm just gonna use this one actually. Yeah, it fits perfectly. Now, the other most important thing that we're planning to do in the year 2026 is getting a car and learning to drive over here in the UK. So I'm actually just going to search for driving. Oh, that's really nice. I actually want something that will represent like a car and to drive. Maybe this picture over here. But the image, like the side, it's the wrong side, so I'm just gonna actually flip it. Now it looks like I'm driving the right thing on the right side. I actually love this because it's like a really nice golden hour, like a shine to it, and the others are like too dark, but I like this vibe. It's really cute. We did get engaged in 2025, but the most important thing in 2026 is we're getting married. So I'm going to search for Indian wedding and see what pictures they have that can represent something. I obviously don't want any faces to be in my vision board. I like this one, but some of these images are really nice. Maybe this one. That looks more for haldi though. The ones that I like are paid versions. I love this one. I think I saw like a picture of a decor. Yeah, this one. I think this one fits perfectly because this is sort of the decor that I'm going for. So I'll just get rid of all of these and maybe just zoom into the decor like this mandap over here. This is nice. I love the vibe so far. Then the next thing we are going to try and focus on are like going to nice coffee shops, especially if we move into the countryside, then probably going to like local cafes. I really love supporting local cafes. So let's see what images they have for the local cafes. This is too dark, but maybe it could work. Oh yeah, this is really nice. This is so cute. Yeah, I'm going for this one. This is actually also like a really nice image, but I love this one. This is the exact thing that I had imagined, so I'll just go for this one. Then again, like I mentioned, last year I went to Sip and Paint, but I did go outside to do that. This year I'm planning to, just do it at home. I have some paint by numbers which I haven't even opened. I do really want to go for painting. So let's see what images they have that will actually like represent the thing I'm going for. This is the one that I used last year. This is nice, but it doesn't represent painting. I really like some brushes and stuff like that in my photos. Maybe this one. I really like this one. Maybe this one. Let's try both. Let's try this one. That's a really nice pop of like vibrant color. And now let's try this one. This is too on the side, I feel. So for now, I really like this one. Other than this one. Yeah, this is pretty nice. Ah, that's so cute. Again, the next thing is, it's really similar to, you know, the last year, but this year I really want to thrive in work, like really thrive. So I'm actually going to search for leader because that's what I'm kind of going for. I don't want any faces to be in my vision board, but this is probably something that I'll go for. I'll see if they have, yeah, maybe something like this, like the picture from the top view. Oh yeah, this is perfect. And I'm just going to zoom into this one because I think that will represent, yeah, I really like this one because it just feels confident, powerful. It also has like that aura, and yeah, this is perfect because I really want to give it my best for work this year. The next one, Nishant and I have gotten into content creation, so I'm really looking to, you know, have that in my vision board because I want to feel inspired whenever I look at it. So I'm going to do content creation. Like I said, most of these are paid. This is nice, but again, I don't want any faces. I might try searching for recording. Yeah, this is nice. Even this is nice, but I like this look of camera more. Yeah, some content creation. I'm really looking forward to it. If you haven't checked out any videos on Instagram, please do check it out and support us. The next one is dance. So something like this, but not ballet. Most of them have like faces in it. Yeah, this is really nice. The next thing is fitness, so I'm going to do that as well. Maybe this one. Let's see what's under this one. Maybe this one. It's like running. Yeah, that's perfect. Then we do want to go and visit like Peak District. So I'm going to actually save travel and forest because that will be perfect together. Yeah, something like this. But I might, oh wow, look at these pictures. This is really nice. So when I go out and vlog in public, I really love doing that, and I want to make more of like travel content if we do traveling. But basically the camera that I'm using right now, that's too bulky and it's like too much in the face. So what I want to do is I want to get like a DJI Osmo. I really wanted that camera for like this year itself, but I'm still contemplating if I want it or I don't. But I do want to, you know, make that extra effort in earning a little bit more money so I can afford that camera. So I'm just going to have it in my, you know, vision board because you never know what will come true. So yeah, it looks something like this. Oh yeah, this is perfect. Yeah, so that's the camera, and it's like a really small camera with like a screen on top of it, and you can hold it, you can just like, you know, keep it. It comes with like a tripod and stuff like that, so I feel like that will be really handy and I love it. Just like hosting, I do want to get into baking. I'm not too much into cooking. I love cooking for like my loved ones and stuff like that, but I'm really afraid of like people just hating my cooking. I can do like better with desserts, and I want to get into baking. I've always loved watching like baking videos and desserts and everything. I love making cheesecakes. You know, I make gulab jamun as well, and I'm really good with sweets rather than cooking. Nishant's really good at cooking. So I do want to get into like baking, you know, cakes or cookies, and if someone's coming around, you know, they can just come and have some nice cakes. So that's what I'm going to have. This is really nice. This is really nice as well. But if I can get a cake, that's what yeah, that's perfect, because I have like a cake tin as well. And yeah, this just sums it up perfectly. So that looks really, really good. The next one I'm going to target is traveling again. So, you know, just have a beach in it. I'm not sure where we're gonna go for the beach, but I just want a beach in it. Maybe a sunset and a beach, so that could represent both of it. This is really, really nice. So wow, that's perfect. And the last one I'm going to target is home decor. If we stay in this house, then I really want to focus on like really nice decor and everything like that as well. But if we move, then that's going to be like a blank canvas for me, and I really want to set it up properly. So I just want to have like some home decor piece in my vision board. This is lovely. This is so good. This is exactly what I was kind of trying to imagine. So that's the vision board for 2026, and it looks amazing. I'm really happy with it. And yeah, that's it for this video, guys. I really hope you enjoyed watching this video and you found it a little inspiring. And make yourself a vision board, please, because it just helps. You do it as a phone wallpaper, do it as, you know, something that you put it on the mirror maybe that you want to have a look at. Put it in your bookmark, like, you know, design a vision board bookmark, why not? Or even like, you know, make a desktop wallpaper so that you have like a look at it all the time. It's something that you always look forward to, and you have a goal to achieve, which is really nice. Please put your personal and professional developments and skills that you want to achieve in the next year, and it'll just be really nice, and it'll make you happy. Come on. If you're a creative person, you definitely should make a vision board. So that's it for this video, guys. I really hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please stay tuned for my 2025 wrapped video next week. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please give this video a huge like, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.